10 errors in your 5 lines of program? Wanna be a programmer but not able to code? Still stuck in printf, scanf, system.out, system.in, scanner statements? While doing your programming assignment, the only thing that you are doing is copy and paste thing from the internet without even understanding a single portion. Forgot to give a colon, got error. Forgot to close a parenthesis, got error. Forgot to give a curly brace, getting error, error and error. Totally confused what to learn, how to learn and from where exactly to learn? Well, let me answer it for you. Learn Python. It's the best language to start with because it is super easy and simple, high level, that is properly human readable, object oriented and general purpose programming language. So after learning Python, you can jump into any other development area and you can learn all the concepts, you can grasp all the concepts with so much ease. So Python is the best language to start with and LIMAT is the best platform to start your learning. Our course contains all the necessary concepts for your college exam point of view and job interview point of view. And our expert trainers will deliver the crisp and clear lecture that will exactly tell you what to learn. So what are you waiting for? Visit our website or you can also call us on this number for more information. My name is Pradipta Chatterjee. I am the Senior Technical Trainer and Data Scientist currently working with LIMAT Soft Solutions and I will be there to guide you throughout your course curriculum. Hope to meet you soon. Thank you so much everyone.